Good afternoon. Next, the problems based on volume charge distribution. Problems based on volume charge distribution. So first problem is volume charge density rho v is equal to k by r, where r is not equal to 0 and k is what? K is constant, which exists within a sphere of radius a. Then determine magnitude of point charge which is placed at origin which will produce the same electric field at r greater than a. So, its sphere of radius a is placed at origin, then electric field produced by the sphere for r greater than a is same as that of the point charge. That means q is placed at the origin. So how to select the coordinate system? Now the given structure is sphere. So the select spherical coordinate system, and the coordinates in spherical systems are r, theta and phi. So the variations in coordinates are r is given as dr, theta as r dr, and phi is r sin theta d phi. So the corresponding unit vectors are ar bar, a theta and a phi. So according to this basic definition, we write here, according to basic definition, rho v is equal to q by v. So it is dq by dv. Therefore we can write dq is equal to rho v dv. This is equation number 1. Now how to obtain this dv? So here dv is differential volume and it is 3-dimensional. So to calculate dv, take the multiplication of all the components. So dv is equal to r dr, r d theta and r sin theta d phi. So dv is r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. This is equation number 2. Now we have to put equation 2 in equation 1. So dq is equal to rho v r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. This is equation number 3. Now to calculate q, we will integrate dq right here. To calculate q, we will integrate dq. There are 3 variables of the integration, that is dr, d theta and d phi. So r, that means the radius, varies from r is equal to 0 to a, theta varies from 0 to a, and phi varies from theta varies from 0 to pi and phi varies from 0 to 2 pi. So q is equal to what? Integration of dq. So we substitute here, r varies from 0 to a, theta varies from 0 to pi, and phi varies from 0 to 2 pi. Now in that, rho v r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. Now what is given? Given is rho v is equal to k by r. So q is equal to integration r equal to 0 to a rho v is what? K by r. So k by r into r square dr, theta is 0 to pi, sin theta d theta, and it is phi. So phi is 0 to 2 pi d phi. So next is we have to take the integration. K is constant, r square by 2 0 to a minus cos theta 0 to pi, and it is phi 0 to 2 pi. So we substitute these values here and we get q is equal to k 2 pi a square c. This is equation number 4. Now we have the equation of E bar. We write here equation of E bar due to point Q. So E bar is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square a r bar. This is equation number 5. Now what is r? R is a. It is radius of sphere. AR bar is what? It is radial outward direction. So E bar is equal to k 2 pi a square by 4 pi epsilon 0 a square AR bar. So it is k by 2 epsilon 0 AR bar epsilon 0. So it is 8 into 8 pi. So value of E bar is 5 into 6 47 to 10 raised to 10 volt per meter. This is the answer. So in this way magnitude of the point charge which is placed at the origin can be determined. Now next problem is based on volume charge distribution. So a volume charge density is given by V is equal to 10 into e raised to minus 1000 r e raised to minus 100 z. So here we have to find maximum value of rho v in region and second we have to find voltage charge contained in first octant where X, Y and Z are positive. So here we write down what is given. Given is rho V is equal to 10 e raised to minus 1000 R e raised to minus 100 Z coulomb per meter cube. So here the variables are R and Z. So maximum value of rho V is obtained where R is equal to 0 and Z is equal to 0. So rho V is equal to 10 per meter cube. Now second is we have dq is equal to rho V dV. So q is equal to rho V dV. Now the given coordinates r, phi, z, that is it is cylindrical coordinate system. So the variation in the coordinates are r as dr, phi as r d phi and z as a dz. So dv is equal to dr r d phi dz. dv is r dr, we can write this as a d phi dz. So this is equation number 2. Now we put values of rho v and dv in equation number 1. So equation becomes q is equal to integration 10 e raised to minus r e raised to minus 100 z r d phi dz, equation number 3. So here dv is differential volume and it is multiplication of 3 components. So this equation is given. Now the volume integration is what? It is a volume integration is triple integration. So we have to calculate we have to calculate q in the first octant where variations are r is in between 0 and infinity, phi is equal to pi by 2 and z is less than 0 to infinity. So we give these limits. It is r equal to 0 to infinity r e raised to minus 1000 r. Phi goes from 0 to pi by 2. So using integration by parts, for first integration we can write q is equal to 10 r integration is to minus here we are using integration by parts. So this part integration by parts, it is already covered in mathematics. We can use this formula here. It is e raised to minus 100 z by plus 100. It is 0 to infinity. So we can write this as 10 r e raised to minus 1000 so it is 157.07 nano coulomb. So this is the value of Q.